Hello everyone. Today I'm taking the topic about evaluation of arithmetic expression. So, the stack organization is very effective in evaluating arithmetic expression. The expressions are usually represented in what is known as infix notation, in which each operator is written between two operands such that a plus b. With this notation, we must distinguish between a plus b multiplied c and a plus b multiplied c by using either parenthesis or some operator precedent conversion. Thus, the order of operators and operands is in arithmetic expression does not uniquely determine the order in which the operations are to be performed. So, what is Polish notation is also known as prefix notation. It refers to the notation in which the operator is placed before its two operands. Here, no parentheses are required, such that plus AB. Like reverse Polish notation is a postfix notation. It refers to the analog notation in which the operator is placed after its two operands. Again, no parenthesis is required in reverse Polish notation, such that AB plus. Stark organized computers are better suited for postfix notation than the traditional infix notation. Thus, the infix notation must be converted to the postfix notation. The conversion from infix to postfix must take into consideration in operational hierarchy. So, we need to understand the three levels of precedence for five binary operators are given below. First, the highest is exponentiation. Second highest is multiplication and division, and the third lowest is addition and subtraction. So we are taking an example for conversion of infix to postfix expression. So starting from the given above is an evaluation of infix equation starting from bracket a plus star b star c bracket close divide bracket d minus e close bracket and close bracket. So in this conversion there are some little bit levels of each parenthesis, like we need to start from the bracket. Operand scan is bracket, and now bracket is pushed on the stack because these are the operators, that's why it's pushed on the stack. So the bracket is pushed on the stack, and the next one is a is not an operator, so it directly goes to the postfix. So a directly goes to the postfix expression, and the next operator is plus operator. Here the plus operator is directly goes to the stack, push on the stack, and the given stack are given the plus operator is directly comes to the stack. Next, postfix operator is not, it's another operator bracket, and bracket is also converted to the stack, and bracket are pushed on stack. So bracket also comes to the stack, and the next is an not an operator, it's b, so it directly goes to the postfix, and b is directly goes to the postfix on stack, and next operator is multiplication operator. So there is no need to check up the level because it's inside the open bracket. So the star is directly converted or given to the stack, so push star on stack. Next one is, it's not an operator c, so we are taking c to the postfix and it push on the postfix. Next operator is the close bracket. Here we need to know when an open bracket and close bracket comes together between an operator, then that operator must be converted into the postfix section. So the we push the close bracket, it converted to their stack, and we right now we can see that there is an open bracket and closed bracket in the stack. So in the middle of that the multiplication operator is there, so we are converting that multiplication operator to the postfix section. So the both the three operators are removed and only the multiplication operator is taken to the postfix. So we can see that there is a multiplication operator coming to the postfix section, and the other multiplication or bracket are removed from the stack. So we are taking the next one is an divided when divided is on highest, so in the stack we know it's already plus is below, divided is below the plus, there is no need to change because of the priority. So divided is converted, push into the stack, and the next operator is open bracket. There is no need of any need of checking priority for this bracket because there is no valuable data inside the stack. So we have pushed this bracket to the stack, and the bracket is comes to the stack. Next, this is D is not an operator, so D is directly goes to the postfix section. So D is directly goes to the postfix section. Next operator is negative operator. So negative operator is directly pushed on the stack. So there is no need to check the level because it's inside the open bracket. So the other minus is directly pushed to the stack, and the other is E. It is not an operator, so E is directly pushed on the postfix. And here comes another is close bracket is directly comes into the stack nest, and then we already see there is a multiplication operator come to when firstly we do the starting operator and the ending operator. Now we need to do another this, we when we push this bracket to the stack, there is inside this open bracket and close bracket there is a minus, so minus is directly goes to the postfix, and the three operators bracket minus and close bracket are removed from the stack. So the minus is goes to the postfix. Now it comes to the postfix section, and the final is close bracket. Oh, now we can see that each other operators are inside the opening bracket and close bracket. Now the close bracket push on the stack, so we need to do or we need to check now the inside the bracket, opening bracket and close bracket, there are two operator plus and division. So we are pushing the bracket on stack, then the entire operators are moving to the postfix section of the last section. So we, considering the priority, we are moving the division first, and at last we need to check the positive operator finally. So this is the postfix expression of the given conversion of infix postfix expression of what we getting from the postfix, like A B C into D E minus division plus. There is another option to convert the evaluation for this also, but now we only taking the conversion of infix to postfix expression. Now we have just do that, we just taken the levels of each priority, like we already said. This is the final answer of how we convert to infix to postfix expression. Finally, thank you.